Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a really interesting piece of equipment that could be a game changer for many of your projects. The 3 XLR connector attachments, accessories silver connector. This isn't just any connector. It's designed with precision and durability in mind, making it stand out in a crowded market. Right off the bat, one notices the premium feel of this connector. It's crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy, which immediately tells you it's built to last. This material choice isn't just for aesthetics. It contributes significantly to the connector's overall robustness and ability to withstand demanding environments. When you're working on critical projects, having components that won't fail under pressure is absolutely essential, and the aluminum alloy construction provides that peace of mind. In terms of its physical dimensions, this connector measures 2.5 centimeters, or about 1 inch in diameter, and stands at 15 centimeters, or 5.9 inches in height. This compact yet substantial size makes it incredibly versatile. It's large enough to handle comfortably and provide a secure connection, yet not so bulky that it becomes cumbersome in tight spaces. The design strikes a perfect balance between functionality and practicality. One of the most impressive aspects highlighted about this connector is its commitment to safety and durability. It's engineered to be incredibly easy to connect to your devices, ensuring a stable and reliable link every single time. There's nothing more frustrating than a flimsy connection that constantly wiggles or disconnects, and this product aims to eliminate those headaches. Furthermore, it boasts a robust lockable design. This feature is crucial, especially in industrial settings or when dealing with reciprocating linear actuators, where vibrations and movement are common. The lockable mechanism ensures that once connected, your device stays firmly in place, preventing accidental disconnections that could lead to project failures or safety hazards. This level of stability is truly invaluable. The application range for this 3 XLR connector is quite broad, making it a versatile tool for various users. Whether you're working with reciprocating linear actuators, needing reliable connections for general industrial purposes, or even embarking on a complex DIY project at home, this connector is designed to meet those demands. Its robust construction and secure locking mechanism make it ideal for situations where a strong, unwavering connection is paramount. Imagine using it in automated systems, robotics, or even custom audio setups where signal integrity and physical stability are non-negotiable. It truly offers a professional-grade solution for a multitude of connection needs. In conclusion, the 3 XLR connector attachments accessories silver connector appears to be a top-tier product for anyone seeking a durable, stable, and easy-to-use connection solution. Its aluminum alloy build, practical size, and robust lockable design collectively contribute to a product that promises reliability and performance. For industrial applications, DIY enthusiasts, or anyone needing a dependable connector, this silver adapter seems like an excellent choice that delivers on its promises of safety and longevity.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.